Welcome to this tutorial on setting up a worker on IONet's decentralized cloud for Mac users. Before we start, make sure your Mac is compatible. Only M chips are supported. To check your chip, click on the Apple menu at the top left of your screen and select About This Mac. Let's begin by going to the io.net website. Click on Get Started and create an account using one of the available options. Then click on GPU Provider and connect your wallet to receive payments. You are now ready to set up your worker. Click on the Worker button, then select Connect New Worker. Rename your worker as you like. Select the Mac OS option. For Macs, only the CPU option is available. Enter your device's chip model and proceed to next step. As you can see, the first step here is to download the Docker application. To do this, go to the official Docker website by clicking directly on the attached link. Make sure to choose the Apple Silicon version and follow the usual installation instructions. Now you're ready for the next step. Now you need to open the terminal. To do this, use Spotlight Search as usual. Once the terminal is open, go back to your worker and copy the command provided by IONet. Return to your terminal and paste the command using your preferred method. Press Enter. Repeat this process for the other two commands. When the program asks for connection authorization, type Yes in the terminal. This will start the download and connection of the IONet containers to the Docker. Let the program run until the containers are connected. Once the installation is complete, return to your worker's web page and connect it by clicking on the button at the bottom of the page. Your worker is now connecting to the IONet network. Don't close the web page until the worker is connected, otherwise you'll lose it and have to reinitiate the whole process. You can check the activity of your worker directly via the Docker application. To do this, simply open Docker, and you should see exactly two containers on the dashboard. If you only see one, wait for the second to appear. As long as your containers are at 0%, your worker is not connected. As soon as the worker connects, you'll see the activity of your CPUs. Now that your worker is installed, let's familiarize ourselves with the user interface. The idle mode indicates that your device is available on the IONet network. When a task is assigned to you, it will switch to hired mode. You can also check if your worker is running. The blue sticker will appear once your device has successfully completed the proof of work. Here you can see your rewards for blocks and for jobs. The graph gives you an overview of your recent history. If you need to restart the Docker application, the commands are right here. Run them as described previously. Your Mac can now work for you. After sitting idle on your desk for so long, it's time for it to contribute to the electricity bills. Thank you for following this tutorial, and enjoy the earnings generated by your IONet worker.